Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is An, and yeah, today we're reacting to CLC Helicopter. So this is my first reaction to CLC. I don't know much about them, except from the fact that they are from Kpop, and I think they debuted before Idol. Actually, I almost forgot that they exist. That sounds bad, but I thought that Idol was the next K-pop girl group song from Q after 4 minutes. But I guess at the same time, I think CLC debuted in the time that I was in college, and I already tell you that back then I was kind of in a K-pop hiatus, so I don't know much about any group that debuted during that time. So yeah, they come back with Helicopter and people raving about it, and I see the view, and at the time of on today, September 7th, they have almost 24 million views, so they are doing great, at least on MV YouTube wise. So yeah, let's check them out. Okay, fashion, set, design. Okay. This lighting is interesting. I like it. Oh, wow, the visual is strong. I didn't expect this. Oh yeah. Oh, go off, sis. Oh. Oh, we're building up. Oh, I love that dress though. Let's look at it again. Oh, what is that made of? Look at. Oh, move. Oh. So we're going from strong, strong, I don't know how to say, strong, very intense voice to her with her voice a little bit higher and more innocent feeling. So I don't know. Keep me interested for sure. Who is she? Wait. Wow. Her visual is so different. She looked like she had she looked like a mixed race person. Her feature is so not normal for a Korean. Oh, I love that dress. Oh, okay. Wow. Look at this frame. This look like because the lighting is so strong that it's blurring between her skin. Look at the lighting on it. It's look like a 3D game character. It doesn't look like real. That's crazy. I like her rap. Also the dance is strong. Dang. That cut is pretty liberal for K-pop. Let me tell you, that V-cut on her was very liberal for K-pop. Oh, this is some build up. Better drop. Oh, okay, there's high note out in the background. Okay, so it's I'm not gonna lie, it's a great song. Now let's firstly let's talk about all the good thing. Styling, set design, styling some of the dress, and like that one with the wing light is exquisite, and then that dress with the deep v-neck, like that look like a dress that you go to a award show with. Like that is some crazy. I just enjoy that very much. And then yeah, the song is above. I like how it dropped, even though at the end, when I say like it's building up, and the chorus drop. And there's definitely like ad-lib and high note in the background. I can hear it, but I wish that they would change it up even more, just a little bit, because there's so much anticipation that built up through like this whole bridge. That's a lot of anticipation building up. So I feel like that drop is slightly unsatisfying. That's just nitpicky. Yeah, I like this rap. I see some cool dance move. It's very, how I say, what the word for dance? It's very recognizable dance. So I enjoy it. Yeah, no wonder why they're doing very well on the chart right now. And I would know because currently I'm supporting Ace on the chart. So this is like one of the few occasions that I actually pay attention to the chart, and CLC is like going great. So no wonder they do well, because like this is above, and as I would not gonna lie, and someone need to point me out the member name because I might have to stand. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like the video, leave a like down below. If you want to see more of me, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.